because I was assaulted by the sheriff's wife of Sussex County, picking up my 16-month-old daughter while she was in my hands. I can't file any police reports because of the jurisdiction that the officers work at. They refuse to take police reports of the incident. I've spent close to $60,000 to date, which I didn't have. I had to sell every possession that was worth value just to be in my daughter's life. And no one seems to recognize what's happening until they're actually going through this horrible system. It basically debilitates you for the love of your child. The judges try to extort as much money as they can from you to, for the love. Yeah, it's for
economic terrorism against classes.
Yeah, against classes. And that's exactly it. And it doesn't matter who's the better parent.
Right.
My ex-wife is bipolar and has borderline personality disorder, but she makes enough money she can hire a psychologist and buy their opinion. I don't make nearly as much. And I'm just getting tired of having fathers being looked down upon. That,
And do you know you're covered under the American Disabilities Act by way of association? Your wife has a disability and therefore you are protected under the American Disabilities Act.
Well, I filed for disability because of going through the family court system. I'm a pretty young, healthy, hardworking, middle-aged man, and has now become disabled, and now I have to rely on the state of Delaware for funding for living expenses because of having to go through their family court system.
No, a lot of victims up there.
Oh yeah, we have Joseph Biden in VAWA, which is an unconstitutional law. It's a discriminatory law. Where do men go when they're being abused? How do we, claim it? And where do you go to file it, particularly if your ex is having an affair with the police officer, the police department?
Well, that's why we need to set up an independent reporting agency for judicial abuse that has nothing to do with lawyers or judges. It's totally accessible by everybody on the internet.
Right.
And it's totally
family court. There should be transparency.
Citizen controlled.
Citizen controlled.
There should be transparency in family courts.
Right.
I don't understand.
Not only in family courts, it's every court out there right now. I mean, you look what's happening to Richard Fine in California.
Right.
He's proved beyond any reasonable doubt that 400 judges conspired to deny virtually every person who brought a complaint against the state. For years, thousands upon thousands of cases. They took paybacks from the county and the state.
Look at the two.
And each and every case was dismissed. And if that's not a criminal conspiracy, and why they have this man falsely in prison, I would like to know.
Well, look at the two judges in Pennsylvania through Wilkes-Barre.
Oh yeah, the two
who were taking kickbacks, who got buzzed. They were, basically taking kids' freedoms, their civil rights away from them, and putting them in concentration camps.
It's much more sinister than that.
Right.
Once they put those kids in that home, they've created a sort of a criminal record that will destroy them for life. When they won't be able to get a proper college education.
All for financial.
All for their own personal financial gain. And in most cases, they own stock in these corporations through third parties.
Exactly.
And if they're funding themselves, and
they're using
that
the
has
legal
to
system.
stop. That has to stop. So,
thank you.
Well, I appreciate you for being here. And, once again, your name and you're from where?
Kevin Patrick from Lewis, Delaware, Sussex County.
God bless, Kevin. Have a good day.
Thank you.
I'll move over, Kevin. We got somebody else coming up.